Friends, I wrote this song dedicated to our mothers that care so much for us, and it takes us years to even notice how they give their whole lives for us. I stand and I look how she cares for her children. Baffled I see how she lives. She works day and night with all her might, thinks not of herself and forgives. My mother in her kingdom, a queen she's indeed, wearing a crown of good deeds. A palace she's building of diamonds and gold, my warm home with all my needs. Each tear that we shed, she sheds too in return. As for our comfort, she prays. Our joy is her joy, and she needs nothing more but to see us grow well in our ways. My mother like a queen she's indeed, wearing a crown of good deeds. A palace she's building of diamonds and gold, my warm home with all my needs. I notice her kindness and endless devotion. I feel I should tell her I know. I gather my strength and my heart open up. I approach her and say to her soul, my mother, you're